Alright guys, Boost Boy's back at it again.
Boost Boy's back at it again.
Update, we got Mark, we got Nathan, we got Even with the camera.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? We're back at it. This
Back at it again.
For a minute.
It's been way too long.
It's been a very long time. We didn't provide you any updates.
No.
We're getting back to it, you know, 3 of us. So now, the 1JZ IS300 is complete. It's been complete for almost a year now. I've been driving it. Everything's Gucci. It's pretty much all stock. You know, everything is stock pretty much. I haven't really done anything to it other than, you know, filter, that type of thing. So it is running, I would probably say maybe around 290, 295 horsepower right now.
So that's around stock?
Yeah, it's around stock, you know, with the 3-inch downpipe.
3-inch downpipe.
And 3-inch exhaust on all the way, straight piped.
Right, let's show them that.
Right. And we did lower it recently. We did lower the car.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty much slammed.
I would definitely say.
You know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It's low. We're low boys. We got the exhaust, 3-inch exhaust here, front tip. You know. So that's what this car looking like right now. You know, we got a lot of stuff done.
Oh yeah.
100%. The interior for you guys.
100%.
You know, I give you guys a start. Of course, cold start.
Cold start.
Gauges.
Wow.
Till it gets to the optimal operating temperature. You know, do some real nice pulls, but you know, let me give you guys a little peek of what this handles. You know,
100%. 100%.
What this thing can do.
So for the people that are new to the channel, how long did the swap take, you think?
Well, it took about 4 months.
4 months for the swap.
It took
4 months.
So to actually do the engine swap itself, it was about 4 Sundays. Me and my dad worked on it.
Every weekend.
Right, every weekend, and it took about 4 Sundays. After that, we had to actually bring it to a shop for the
fabrication.
Fabrication. And that took a while, and then we had to. They also did the fueling system.
Right.
And that took. They took a long time. But you know, the work was done well.
Right.
And,
got it done.
We got it done.
Got it done.
You know, so
that's most important.
That's right. That's right.
No, he didn't recognize me.
Almost at the right temperature, guys. Don't worry.
Yeah, almost there.
Some nice spool noises just now.
100%. They definitely want to hear that one. Pull. Oh, yep. Wow. Sounds amazing. That sounds absolutely beautiful.
doesn't get old.
Nope.
Every time.
Not at all.
Every time.
That's insane.
You know. And guys, listen, a lot more stuff is coming to the channel. We are going to get to 500 horsepower.
Yep, 500 horsepower is coming soon. Oh my god. Oh god.
You know how we coming, man.
Yo, man. The 1JZ GTE. Shit's no joke.
Not a joke at all.
It's no joke.
Yes, sir.
Look at Evo just sitting there. The white on white. Oh man.
So we are the VR is getting the treatment.
VR6
And,
coming to
You know, we're gonna do the AR5 swap on the channel as well.
Right.
So stay tuned for that.
Right.
If anyone, you know, wants to do the AR swap.
Right.
The IS300.
So at first he wanted to do the R154 transmission, but they came out with the upgraded version, which is the AR5.
Right. Which can take up to, in some applications, they say up to 1,000 horsepower.
1,000 horsepower in some applications. Wow.
You guys gotta stay tuned. We're making it big.
Those guys are busted after that one.
Oh yeah. Should we give them a little drift?
More
We
times.
have to find a place.
Jeez, oh my gosh.
Alright, so we gave you guys a little, you know, again, we haven't gave you guys an update in a very long time, so, you know, we want to let you guys know we're back, and we're getting busy. You know, these cars,
We're getting busy.
cars are getting, you know, under surgery,
Yep.
and we're going big.
Going big. Big power very soon.
Very soon, so stay
Very
tuned.
soon.
Boost Boys
Those
out.
boys, we out. Till next time. Bow.